How are you doing? Fine?
Fine, fine.
Okay. And how was your weekend?
It's normal. I did
Yes,
what
you
I
usually
usually
do.
do. Yes.
Okay, you usually do. Okay. I did what I usually do. Sorry. Usually do. Okay. Okay, good. So I'm gonna share with you that video with the,
Okay. We didn't finish. Yes, I
no,
think.
it's another one that I told. This is
Ah,
whatever. It's about,
you showed me that questions about
yes,
some
three
some
sectors.
professionals, I think.
Is it this one? Yeah, let me check.
It was on
No,
Instagram.
not
Yes,
this.
it is, I think.
No, yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
it is.
this one. Yes. So here, let's analyze. Okay, you tell me if they're right. This is the way you see it. So this is the upstream. Let me get the title again. Three main sectors in oil and gas industry.
Yes.
Know the industry
Upstream,
sector to.
midstream, and downstream, I think.
Okay. So upstream, don't know this. Midstream, yes, as you said,
Mm-hmm.
downstream. So what's the difference? Start explaining to me.
The difference is this is the three holes of the area, I think. Upstream, it's about exploration,
Mm,
drilling, workovers, and midstream, it's about facilities to production, right?
okay, let me see.
Like
Uh,
yes, like
yes,
pipes, tanks, station,
stored,
storage, uh,
processed, transported,
ships, everything about
before
this.
reaching the refineries.
Yes.
Okay.
And downstream, it's
And
about the
downstream.
refinery,
Refining. Refining, right?
right?
Is it petrochemical, crude oil, distillation. Okay. Okay,
In my
so let's
area it's just I think um,
upstream.
upstream.
Yes, that's what I thought. Because midstream is about transportation, but you don't do that. You just drill
Yes,
and
we
your
have it. We have it here, but it's another sector.
company.
No, it's
It's
another
another
sector.
sector of your company.
Yes,
Okay. And you don't produce, right?
we produce, but we don't refine.
Okay. So your well is ju just your well is about drilling, extracting,
Yeah, it's
exploiting.
extraction.
But you told me
Uh,
you don't produce. Your well doesn't
yes,
produce.
we produce every well.
Produce. Sorry,
Yes, we
I
produce,
forgot.
but we don't have here um, downstream from ourselves, I think.
Okay. You don't refine,
Yes, we don't
but you
here we
produce.
don't. Yes, we produce
Okay.
produce and process, primary process, storage.
Mm-hmm.
We do these
Let's
things.
see. Let's see. It was not this. It was about the positions. I was going
Yes,
to ask you. Yes, it was not
yes.
exact. Okay, but we can finish this one, and then uh, we we move to the other
So
one. So this
you
sector covers exploration.
you
Exploration.
want to
Okay.
know about every of this
Yes.
sector:
Yes.
exploration, appraisal,
Yes.
drilling, completion. So okay, and here I here we do everything that you are seeing in this
Okay.
pic- in my area in reservoir and development team.
Mm-hmm.
So exploration and subsurface, it's about seismic interpretation, seismic acquisition data, geological studies, software to understand the reservoir,
Mm-hmm.
like reservoir simulation.
Mm-hmm.
There is no many
It's about
difference
before the drilling, right?
before the drilling.
This is the first
So
thing, like we saw in the
yes,
video last time.
yes, the first thing that we do when we start to exploit some area, some field, I think.
Mm-hmm.
First part is the
Seismic
geological
acquisition
studies.
2D, 3D, 4D.
Yes, this is the first activity.
Mm-hmm.
Seismic
Interpretation and
acquisition
modeling.
and processing.
Sorry?
The first activity in a new field is seismic
Uh-huh.
acquisition and seismic
Uh-huh.
processing.
Okay. 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 So this is not about you, right? This is not your part.
Yes, it's not my part, but uh, we do this too in
Okay, your
reservoir team.
company. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
because I don't know if you remember, but here in the reservoir team we
Mm-hmm.
have we have seismics, geologics, geologists,
Mm-hmm.
geologists,
Yes, yes,
seismics,
yes, yes. You
seismicists.
told me.
So
You
the
told
team
me.
is very mm,
Specific and professional.
heterogeneous. I think.
Ah, heterogêneo. Good question. Heterogeneous.
Yes, it is.
Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. Let me put here.
Yes, I know the word, but I was
Yeah.
trying to remember how to say it.
Heterogeneous. Heter-
Heterogeneous.
Yes, yes,
It is.
exactly. It's the same. Yes, very quite similar to the Portuguese. Okay. Okay, then
In
it's the
appraisal,
mm-hmm.
when we do the appraisal, is to evaluate the cost of the drilling
Uh-huh.
uh, and evaluate the reservoir. So when we do the evaluation, we are looking for how many reserves we
Mm-hmm.
have,
Mm-hmm.
how is the how much is the volume of oil, gas. We
Uh-huh.
call it like original oil in place and original gas in place.
Uh-huh.
Every original volume that is inside of the reservoir.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we drill, we do the loggings
Yes,
for
let me
formation
ask you a
evaluation,
question. When you say reservoir, it's the whole
the whole thing.
just is a review for me. I think it's
Yes,
everything,
reservoir
right?
is the whole thing, and the well is just one point in the
That
reservoir.
you drill, right?
Yes,
That you perforate.
right.
But the layers, how do you call the layers? Also reservoir?
Yes, also reservoir because
Ah, okay.
layers. w- Let me think a little bit. Yes, layers, reservoir layers is when you have more than one reservoir that across in one well.
But you told me that usually there are like 10. New York
Yes.
situation 34,
One
right?
well, 30 reservoirs, 20 reservoirs in one well.
Yes, but
In
my
some
question,
fields.
it's field. So the whole
In some
thing is
fields.
called field.
That
And then,
in a field you may have many reservoirs, and
okay,
one well can pass in many reservoirs.
through
Through
many
many reservoirs.
reservoirs. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so it's field, the whole thing. And then reservoir is each part that is going to be yes, perforated or explored.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Reservoir characterization and well testing. Okay, you can go to the
So
drilling.
the first one,
Mm,
exploration and subsurface, we do this before drilling.
yes, I
And
understood.
the second one is after drilling. Appraisal,
Uh-huh. Ah, it's
logging, coring,
after drilling.
after drilling.
Ah, okay.
Because you have to drill
Uh-huh. To get the data.
to run the logging, to take core analysis. Core is
Ah,
it's called in Portuguese testemunho. We use a
testimony.
tool. Yes, we use a tool from Halliburton or Schlumberger or Baker to
Mm,
take a part of the reservoir. So we use a bit that
uh-huh.
is in the is not inside the, it's yes it's a kind of bit that he it haven't uh
That collects part
yes
of the
that
reservoir.
yeah it can collect because the drilling bit
Uh-huh.
it's empty inside.
Ah, okay. Okay.
There is nothing
Okay.
inside the bit, just the
Uh-huh.
cutters
Mm-hmm.
around the bit, and inside there
Uh-huh.
is nothing. So when you drill,
Uh-huh.
the bit can can store
Uh-huh.
some part of of some part of the reservoir. And
Uh-huh.
when we finish the 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 drill some part of the reservoir, we
Mm-hmm.
put the drill string to collect the coring.
So what you mentioned Halibut or Schlumberger is the one that made this special beat that collects
Yes,
part of the
yes
reservoir.
they made the beats, né? They
Ah,
made the beats
okay.
to
Okay.
take this scoring.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
After get the scoring, we send it usually from some labs in USA or
Really?
Canada to do the analysis in the lab. So
You send to the USA
yes,
to
Canada
or to Canada to evaluate
scoring
to do the analysis of the but why
the
do we
scoring
send this to Canada or the USA? I'm sorry.
because
I'm
here
upset. I'm upset.
in
We don't have
Brazil
technology.
we you don't have the technology to analyze the
Ah,
coring. So we
ah,
take the coring and send to these countries to some companies, and they do
okay.
the core analysis to estimate the porosity, permeability,
Uh-huh.
core composition, different kinds of
Mm-hmm.
rocks that is in the core. So sands, shale,
Uh-huh.
carbonate.
Yes, but
We
I think
discovered.
that because I look through the political glasses,
Yes.
and I think that it's unfair because the main information about the wells they are in I mean Canada and the USA. They know everything, right, about our wells. So we should have
No, I think that there's no problem, I think, because
Mm,
we how
maybe.
how what they may do with this information. I think they are in another country. So
Yeah, but I think that
we
they interfere in the exploitation of oil all over the
so
world.
here
They have interest, right?
we have some consultants that they
Uh-huh.
comes from Canada
They came
they
from
came from
Canada. They are
Canada.
from Canada. Ah,
Yeah,
okay,
they are from
Canadian
Canada. They are
consultants.
consulting us in horizontal wells here.
Ah,
But
okay,
in some cases, we have to send some reservoir um,
information analysis
information cores to them to they analyzing
for them to
in their
analyze.
softwares,
Mm,
and they send after this analysis the results for us.
uh-huh, uh-huh. No, it's not bad for your company. I think that it's necessary, right?
Yes,
Just saying that as a country, we, Brazil, we should analyze our own
yes, but
oil or our
here I think that
reservoirs.
that I think that here maybe there is some companies that can do this analysis, but I really don't know. So I know that I know that the companies that takes the coring,
Mm-hmm.
they don't do the analysis. They just
Collect
arrend, I think.
arrange.
Arrend
I
alugar.
don't know. They collect the data, the
No, it
information.
is alugar. I forgot.
Rent.
They
Rent.
rent the tools to
Uh-huh.
us take the coring, just it. They don't analyze the core. We don't.
Ah,
We
okay.
need to send to some
Other
specialized lab
other
to
company. To
yes to
another
some
company.
specialized lab to do the analysis. So here in RN,
Oh.
I don't know any company. I think that is in Rio de Janeiro. It's a company that do this analysis, but because in a well that we drilled in the last year, we sent one core analysis to RJ, but
To
I don't remember the name.
to Rio de Janeiro.
Yes, we send one core analysis, one core to
Ah, okay. So
RJ,
maybe
but
there
I
is
don't
one
remember.
Brazilian company.
I don't know that
You're
is a
not
Brazilian
sure.
company, but
Ah,
they do the analysis.
okay, okay,
I don't know that is a Brazilian
okay,
company.
okay,
But
okay.
maybe it exists because Petrobras, we have a lot of coins that we receive from Petrobras here, and
Mm-hmm.
we have the analysis. Maybe there is some company that that can do this.
Yes, okay. Okay, so then what about drilling and completions?
Mm-hmm. So first we do the seismic geological studies.
Mm-hmm.
We drill the well, analyze the coring, log in the well, characterize the reservoir, test the well,
Mm-hmm.
and so we drill. In this image, it's talking about three kinds of wells. We have
Uh,
the vertical wells, the directional wells, and horizontal wells. The
okay.
vertical is vertical,
Yes.
and directional they have some angles, and
Something like this.
horizontal, yes, horizontal, it's like really horizontal. We start in
Oh, really?
vertical,
This way.
yes.
Start vertical and
We
then.
yes, we start in vertical, and some part of the depth we
Mm-hmm.
use a tool that called whipstock.
Oh,
And
really?
this whipstock can create a window in the well to um, how can I say, to anchor the tree string and
Mm-hmm.
get some angle to start
Uh-huh.
in the horizontal section of the well.
Okay. Okay. Amazing.
Um, Measurement. This is the measurement and logging while drilling. It's about MWD and LWD. Is measurement while drilling and logging while drilling.
Ah,
It is when we use here on Petro Recôncavo, we have
okay.
our tools to do this evaluation, but usually another companies use the Halliburton tools or Bake or Schlumberger tools
Mm-hmm.
to do the MWD and LWD.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Measurement while drilling is when I have to get the drill string depth, inclination of the well,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and orientation. So because when we have the directional well, there is three parameters that we have to control. That is
Mm-hmm.
the angle,
Uh-huh.
the azimuth,
Mm-hmm.
and and the coordinates. I think latitude, longitude.
Latitude. Ah,
Yes,
ah,
we have to monitor these parameters.
coordenadas, right?
Yes, we have to
Coordinates.
monitor these parameters to reach the reservoir rightly. To don't miss the reservoir,
Yeah,
we have
coordinates. Coordinates, okay? Coordinates. Okay.
to don't miss or pass the reservoir, we have to monitor
Okay.
it these parameters.
Mm,
And the logging while drilling, it's
uh-huh.
about do the well logging while you are drilling the well. So we are drilling and evaluating
E-
the well with well
Evaluating
logging.
the well
Yes,
at the same time.
at the same time. We
And
don't need
and
to.
from where do you see? From a, is it a camera? No, a sensor?
No, it's not. That's not chemical. It's not
No,
camera. It's
not,
something like electrical.
it's a sensor.
We use on electrical waves, I think, like this,
Ah,
and
okay.
the- and the fluids, there is different response when we use some electrical signals and the
Mm.
rocks too. So sands, there is a signal, shale is another signal, and we can
What is
interpret
shale?
the signals.
It,
Shale is
I
shale
I think you
is
said, but I forgot.
is
Shale,
folheiro
like the,
ou
right?
argila. Yes, shale.
Ah, argila. Okay. This?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And
After
mhm.
drill with cement, you run the casing,
Uh-huh. And
and complete
cementing.
and
Ah,
do the
yes,
completion.
cementing case.
And do the
What
completion.
what
This is upstream.
what is completion? Ah, you finish.
Yes, when we use the workover rig to perforate the casing and
Mhm.
reach the reservoir.
Uh-huh. Okay.
It's right
And
to reach the reservoir.
reach,
Okay.
reach, right?
Yes,
Alcançar,
right. It is.
chegar. Yes, reach the reservoir. Managed pressure drilling.
So it
Ah,
is when we drill in a underbalance condition, I think.
mm,
Let me.
okay.
Yes, it is. When we drill
Uh-huh.
in under balanced condition. You remember when I told you about kick, about blowout in some class before,
Sorry, about what?
about kick and blowout. Then
Blowout. Yes.
when we have to use a weight of fluid to keep the well stable.
Yes, 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 I
So in
remember.
this case of management pressure drilling, we
Mm,
drill the well with a fluid below of the weight that we really need.
okay.
In this
Okay.
condition, with our with we drill while kicking, I think.
While kicking.
Yes.
But what do you mean by kicking? Is this kicking like this? No.
Yes, it is. When kick is when the reservoir starts to flow, when the pressure of the fluid is not sufficient to keep the well stable.
Not is not sufficient. Okay.
Yes.
To keep the
So
well stable. Okay.
in this condition, we
Mm-hmm.
drill the well with a mud with a drilling mud weight below that
Sorry,
we really need. Drilling mud
drilling, mud, uh, wave.
weight.
Wait.
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah, drilling
Ah.
mud weight below that we really need to keep the reservoir under control. So
Mm-hmm.
we some companies use this kind of drilling to
Mm-hmm.
don't damage the reservoir
Okay.
because in normally when we use the conventional drilling process, we
Uh-huh.
drill in a overbalanced condition when the drilling rig use
Overbalance.
overbalance. When a drilling rig use a fluid level higher than higher than we need to keep the reservoir in control. There's two conditions. So
Uh-huh.
drilling below that this pressure to keep control, or
Mm-hmm.
drilling in a condition that the fluid weight is higher
Uh-huh.
in this condition.
Uh-huh. Okay. So if it's the first one you said, you mentioned two
Yeah, the
conditions,
first
right?
one is the first one is in the underbalancing
Uh,
condition, and the second
okay.
overbalancing.
Overbalance.
Under
So in the
it's
overbalance condition, you use the fluid.
in the both. You use the fluid.
On both situation. Okay.
Yes, underbalancing is below the reservoir
The
pressure.
reservoir
Yes, overbalance is above the reservoir pressure.
pressure.
Fluid
Okay.
pre- uh,
It's about
the
pressure.
fluid, yes, the pressure that the fluid can do in underbalancing is below the reservoir pressure. But in
Mm-hmm.
overbalancing, the pressure that the fluid can do is higher than the reservoir pressure.
Mm-hmm.
In these conditions, in overbalance, when we drill with a fluid level higher, we
Mm-hmm.
usually have loss. We may lose fluid to the reservoir.
Uh-huh.
In
Okay.
underbalancing, we don't
You
lose
don't you
fluid
don't
to
lose.
the reservoir. Yes.
Okay. So which condition do you use there in your situation?
Overbalance. Here we just use in this condition.
Overbalanced. Okay. And yeah, I had another
Yes,
question.
under is just in some specific situations, but because there is risks to this condition of drilling,
Uh-huh.
but over is the conventional way.
Uh, okay, and this blowout can happen in your situation onshore, offshore is the same. Everything is the
Can
same.
happen. Can happen. In
There,
the
there's
both
no
offshore,
big difference. I mean,
no.
concerning the upstream, everything is the same,
Yes.
onshore
So
or offshore.
in onshore may happen more blowouts than offshore.
Ah, okay. Why?
Why? So in offshore, there is more barriers to safety, like um,
Barriers.
barriers. Yes, because
Barre-
the environmental risks.
I
So,
understand.
but in onshore, there is no many environmental risks. So
Okay.
here, blowouts can happen more frequently than offshore.
So the supervision is more strict on
In
the
offshore,
offshore.
yes.
Okay. Than onshore. Why? Because there are more offshore exploitation than onshore.
Um, I think that is because the environmental risks is higher in offshore.
Offshore. Offshore.
In
Because
offshore,
the
yes,
oil might spill in the ocean.
in the ocean, yes.
But this
So
can happen too
yes,
onshore.
can happen, but the oil go to the surface and
So you
is
can
easier to control
to control. Okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
but
Okay. Got it.
we don't want that it happens, but
Yeah, sure.
we use a lot of control system to avoid it,
Mm-hmm.
but in some cases may might happen
It might
to the
happen. Yes.
before
Might. Yes.
might
Yes, you're
because
right.
there is a different than
Yes, exactly.
must
Yes, may and
may and
might.
might is
Yes.
something wow,
Last chance, right?
last
Far.
chance, yes.
Yes, yes. May, it's a
uh,
must. It
must okay, it will
you
happen.
have, yes, exactly. Good job. Uh Upstream is a huge sector. Uh, well, construction, intervention,
Yes,
workover
work over.
operation. What's this? What's
Work
this
over
about?
operate.
It's just some.
Hmm?
This part is not. Is this the continued the
Yes, it's the continuous.
yes,
Yes.
continued.
Work over is
Uh-huh.
for when we have to do some simulation. So we have a lot of kinds of work over operations. We have the operation just to reach the reservoir, and but mostly of the workover operations is to stimulate the reservoir, like this, oxidizing and hydraulic fracking, or
Yes.
reach some new reservoir. Usually is for this, to oxidizing, hydraulic fracking,
Uh-huh.
reach a new reservoir,
So what is
change,
workover means like fracking or doing
no.
something to simulate the well?
Workover is the name for operations that we do
Uh-huh.
inside of the well. So everything that I have to do inside
Ah,
of the well is called a
anything.
workover.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Everything.
Got it. Okay.
If I
Uh,
have to simulate
hmm.
the reservoir is a workover. If
Here,
I need
factory.
to,
Yes.
yes, if I need to do some 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 intervention to change a
Mm-hmm.
lift method, it's a recover.
Mm-hmm.
Everything that I do in the well is a recover.
Workover. Okay. And give me an example. What is this exercising about? It's
Okay.
a stimulation. Is it the same as
Mm-hmm.
fracturing? No.
Maybe because we we don't do this in the Brazil, but it's
Ah,
a kind of fracking that we use acid. But
okay.
oxidizing is when we pump a volume of HCl inside of the reservoir.
Uh-huh.
So the acid it can dissolve
So,
carbonate. Dissolve,
uh-huh.
yes. Acid can dissolve carbonate,
Uh-huh.
and in some reservoir we have the presence of carbonate. And
Uh-huh.
to improve the production,
Uh-huh.
we use the acid.
The
So
acid.
yes, the
Uh-huh.
acid can create channels in the reservoir,
Mm-hmm.
not like hydraulic fracking, but
Mm-hmm.
in small channels.
Mm.
Fracking can create big channels, but oxidizing creates channels just when
Small. Thin.
just
You mean thin?
as he creates channels in the area that is carbonate inside.
Okay. Okay.
He
And
he
maybe
dissolved
it's
the
mm,
he dissolves it. There is someone here. I don't know. He
someone.
can he can yes. My wife will check.
Ah, okay.
Just a moment.
Okay, okay.
The dog is angry.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'm back. Um, the acid, the oxidizing,
Mm-hmm.
it can create channels, but small channels, because it
Uh-huh.
can dissolve the carbonate,
The carbonate
and and
to
when it dissolves, they create the channel. But
uh-huh.
in hydraulic fracking,
Uh-huh.
it just break the rocks,
Yes.
and break the channel.
Yeah, like explosions, right? I saw in the
No,
video, right?
yes, I like this. It's not the same as an explosion, but they create the fracks,
Uh-huh.
and we pump the fluid with the propellant to keep the factory open. But
Uh-huh.
there's a kind of fracking that is the fracking that
Mm-hmm.
we use acid together. So
Ah,
the
okay.
is really the second one is really dangerous, fracking with acid,
Yes. Both
because
together. Both together.
yes, it's really dangerous.
Yes, I can
Quieto,
imagine.
cachorro! Because we use a higher volume of acid, something
Mm-hmm.
like, don't know how many, but it's many, is a lot of acid.
Uh,
Uh,
no, it's okay.
and we break the rock with the frac
Uh-huh.
and with the carbonate solution.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me ask you a question because in Brazil you told me that we don't use this as acid, right? We this procedure oxidizing
Oxidizing
because
fracture,
of
we don't use.
but you told me last class that fracking is normal.
It's normal.
Yes, I had no idea.
It's really
And
normal.
this acidizing is not normal, right? It's not used in Brazil.
Yes,
Onshore,
is more normal than fracking.
really?